So one of the common things I hear these days is, my rent's gone up. This is crazy. I might as well buy a house. There's a lot of different costs involved in buying a home and ongoing costs that you do need to consider. So it's easy to look at just the mortgage compared to your rent, but you need to think about other costs. So when you buy a house, you need your down payment, you've got closing costs, which is about 5% plus 2% for the closing costs. So you need about 7% just to buy the house. And then you've got insurance, you're going to have property taxes. So it's really, really important that you look at your overall budget. The other thing is that depending on the house that you buy, you may have upcoming costs, and that can happen quite quickly. So if you buy a house that needs new shingles right away, you might need to take care of that quickly. But also, within the next 5 years, the first 5 years of buying your house, you may have the furnace go, or you may need to replace windows or different things that come up. So you really want to make sure that you also have an emergency fund set aside, money set aside in case those bigger costs come up in replacing or maintaining or repairing different things. So there are different things to consider. I'd be happy to sit down with you and discuss all the different things that are involved with buying a home.